Birthday list begins with a number one. We're going to carry this on through the weekend because over the weekend, Mr. Knox J, he got to celebrate the big number. Happy birthday to you, Knox, in Chanute.
All right, and we got Ella Marie Koan turning 2 years old this year. Little Ella is in Parsons. Birthday wishes coming with love from Poppy, Nani, Uncle Jeff, and Aunt Allie.
Crazy to believe that she's 8. Got one of my Bloom girls celebrating her birthday, and it's Miss Hayden. Hayden, a very happy birthday to you. Marvelous family right there. She is in the knack.
All right, out in Thayer, Kansas, turning 11, Drew Johnson. Happy birthday.
Big birthday day in Altoona because, number one, we've got Janice, who is now a teenager. So a very happy birthday to Janice. And you make sure that you also say happy birthday to your sister, because Jaden's turning 13 as well. A couple throwback pictures of the Pierce teenagers.
Cute girls. Aw. All right, Cooper Blanchett is 14 years old in Liberal, also known as Bob.
What up, Bob?
According to this. He's an 8th grader at Liberal Middle School. Happy birthday.
Now we go from that to Sweet 16s, and we've got Abby on the left right there and Allie on the right. A very happy Sweet 16 birthday to the Bulk twins.
And
great picture right there. I love that.
Cool. Cool. In Redfield, Kansas, Gavin Hickson celebrating birthday number 17 this year.
Faith Mustang, now 18 years old. My goodness. Happy birthday, Miss Faith. She is in Altamont.
And in Quapaw, we got happy birthday from Grammy Meemaw going out to Abby Taft, who's now 20 years old. Happy birthday, Abby.
Alicia Rives celebrating her 46th. Oh, we got a beekeeper on our hands. How cool is that? Maybe not for me, but I appreciate Alicia taking care of the bees there. Alicia's celebrating in Jasper.
All right. And in Granby, Miss Peggy Elliott celebrating double sixes this year, 66 years old. For Peggy.
Janice Jones, a happy 68th birthday to you. Miss Jones is celebrating in Chanute.
All right. And we got Nancy Blanchett celebrating birthday number 81 this year. Nancy is in Weir, Kansas.
And Ashley Epler, a happy birthday to Miss Ashley. She is going to have the party commence in Columbus.
All right. And we got a second wedding anniversary for the Trammels, Todd and Kelly. Congratulations.
I have had the great fortune to meet these two right here through a story that I did about their late daughter. They are an absolutely unbelievable pair of people who have paid it forward so much in their community and their school district. Just in my short time of getting to know them, they I hope I don't use the phrase epitomize human dignity, but Brad and Amy Allman, they do that, and they are celebrating their 24th anniversary. Brad and Amy, congratulations. Thank you for all that you've done. They're in Chanute.
All right, and celebrating 46 years together. Impressive number. Larry and Sheila Harris. Congratulations to the Harrises in Jasper.
And who that is? So this is the dude that runs the morning show, but you just don't see him because he's so busy behind the infamous soundproof glass, punching the buttons. But what people don't realize is that everything that you watch during the KOAM morning news, the KOAM morning news on Fox 14 and the KOAM news at noon, all the responsibility falls directly into his hands right there. His name is Dylan Macedo, and he is our director. And like I said, it seriously does take a village to put on a television show. And when it gets into his hands, he's the one that makes this thing run. A very happy birthday to you, Mr. Dylan.
All right, happy birthday, Dylan. Hope you have a great day. A little bit.
He's like, I'm in the middle of a show, guys. I don't have time to celebrate a birthday.
Hey, Dylan, it can only get better from here. There you go.
Okay, dude, I'm sorry. I didn't know you had rough morning.
He'll tell you later.
Okay. He's giving me a thumbs up, and he says he's good. I see him.
We love you, Dylan. You do a great job. They're just laughing. Okay, our list
So much
goes
for that
on.
soundproof glass, right?
Right?
Yeah, Yeah, I got your soundproof right here.
Also on our birthday list, we have Odin Davis, who's turning 50 years old this year. With love from the family, Odin is in Pittsburgh. Crew Monty celebrating birthday number 1 in Hepler. And if Crew's celebrating, that means Colby is also celebrating, and that would be Crew's father.
How cool is that for Colby?
He's 30 years old.
Just to celebrate with his son, man. That's awesome. Joy Parks, a happy 41st birthday to Joy in Yates Center. Tammy Snyder is celebrating a birthday. A happy birthday to Tammy in Webb City. Alan and Sherry Boltinghouse celebrating 35 years. Congratulations to the Boltinghouses in Girard. And Diana Carter? I'll give you a screen all to yourself. A big happy birthday to Diana in Pittsburgh. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Yep, real quick, you can be a part of the KOAN Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAN Birthday Club today.